The all-new Breakout model takes the idea of long lean asphalt-devouring muscle to the modern edge. The new smaller tank lets the Milwaukee 8 engine stand out. The 240mm rear tire looks like it was born to leave a fat patch on the pavement. The all-new suspension lets you put maximum power to the street, and you'll feel the difference. The 35-pound weight reduction makes the instant you twist the throttle. You also get more lean angle and agility than you ever imagined in a bike carrying this much dragster attitude and style. Available in 107 and 114 engine displacements. The all-new Breakout model takes the idea of long lean asphalt-devouring muscle to the modern edge. Want to stand out? This is for you. Dragster attitude and aggressive style with a new smaller tank that lets the Milwaukee 8 engine stand out like a flexing bicep. Leaner and meaner. Now 35 pounds lighter. You'll feel the difference the instant you twist the throttle. Leave the world wondering what just blew past. Harley Davidson Softail story. The next custom revolution. Authentic innovation meets true Harley Davidson soul in the reinvented Softail family. The most powerful, agile, and responsive cruisers in Harley Davidson history feature a lighter and stiffer frame, high-performance suspension and the smooth, unrelenting torque of a fully counterbalanced Milwaukee 8V twin engine. Each Softail model has a distinctive look and attitude that stays true to the roots of Harley Davidson custom motorcycle digital riser gauge. Wide digital instrumentation, mounted on risers to be close to your field of vision. Speed readout, fuel gauge, and gear indicator. 240mm rear tire. A muscular tire that is the perfect embodiment of classic drag bike heritage pumping through this ride. Milwaukee 8 big twin engine. A powerful smooth running engine with crisp throttle response and a pure, soul-satisfying rumble. Available in 107 and 114 engine displacements. 3.5 gallon tank. A newly designed smooth top fuel tank that accentuates the big powerful Milwaukee 8 engine. All new Softail frame. A lighter, stiffer frame compared to previous Softail and Dyna models that takes the idea of form and function to a place it's never been before. It's the look of a hardtail from a bygone era that delivers a thoroughly modern ride. High performance front suspension. New Shower STBV suspension technology provides the performance of a racing style cartridge fork for reduced weight with linear damping characteristics. High performance rear monoshock. All new easily adjustable monoshock rear suspension allows for dynamic cornering capability while preserving the hardtail look. New chassis, engine, and design. Harley Davidson introduces next custom revolution with 8 new iconic Softail motorcycles. Largest ever product development project launches Harley Davidson into its 115th anniversary year. Milwaukee, August 22nd. 2017. To celebrate Harley Davidson's 115th anniversary year, the motor company is launching a custom revolution. 8 all-new Softail models that merge the hard-riding performance of the Dyna line with the unparalleled custom look of the Softail line. Designed under the largest product development project in company history, the new bikes compared to prior year models feature a stiffer and significantly lighter frame built to harness the pulse-quickening torque of the new dual counterbalanced Milwaukee 8 107 and 114 engines. With high-performance dual-bending valve front suspension and an easily adjustable hidden rear monoshock, the aggressively styled 2018 Softail models are faster, lighter and better handling than any of their big twin cruiser predecessors. The new Softail models are the result of the most extensive research and development program in the company's history, said Paul James, manager of product portfolio, Harley Davidson. Thousands of hours of research and testing were put into the complete ground-up design of these new cruisers. We focused on taking the total rider experience to a higher level, where authenticity, heritage, and soul meet the modern edge of technology for a ride that must be felt to believe. New chassis. The handling of a Softail motorcycle enters a new era with a lighter, more rigid frame that elevates form and function to a higher plane, while maintaining the classic look of a hardtail, and delivers a thoroughly modern ride. Benefits of the new chassis include increased lean angles, sharper turn-in response, quicker acceleration, nimble flickability, lighter weight, and easier side stand liftoff than predecessor Softail and Dyna models. The steel foundation of the next generation of custom Harley Davidson motorcycles has been forged. Frame/swing arm. A new high-stiffness carbon steel tubular frame forms the core of the 2018 Softail chassis. The completely redesigned frame and swing arm significantly increase the rigidity of the new chassis. The frame itself is 65% stiffer than the 2017 Softail frame, which leads to a 34% increase in overall chassis stiffness. The frame design achieves reduced complexity with a 50% reduction in component parts and a 22% reduction in welds. There are two unique swing arms, one for narrow and one for wide rear tires. The wide chassis is 15% lighter, 13 pounds, and the narrow chassis is 20%, 18 pounds, lighter than the 2017 Softail frame. The swing arm transfers rear wheel movement to the underseat monoshock, while maintaining the pure, classic lines of a hardtail frame.